These videos are educational in nature and are designed to help people over 21 who smoke cigarettes switch to a less harmful alternative.
Why is this so high? I feel like I'm at the little kids table. Like, hey, everybody, GrimmGreen here. I think I'm gonna, I think I need to move my camera up. Oh, I think that's better to much better. I'm still dialing it in. Anyway, all right, what's up, everybody? Ow, GrimmGreen back here today. Today, I'm doing my review for the Nitrous RDTA. I know this has been out for a while already. I know I'm kind of late to the party with this. It's okay. I've been late to the party before, but what I'm really fascinated by this RDTA is it is a squonking RDTA. Did you know this? Did you guys know this? I had no idea. I immediately want to put this on a squonker. We did this on a build stream on Twitch a few weeks ago, and everybody voted to put it on the Matterhorn, you know. And look, I kind of agree. The red on red combo does look pretty sick, but I want to take full advantage of this squonking RDTA and put it on a squonk. I just love the idea of putting liquid from your bottle into a squonk bottle and then squeezing it up into a chamber inside an RDTA, and then that liquid traveling up stainless steel mesh to finally to cotton wicks, where then it finally saturates your coils. That just seems like a crazy path for liquid to travel, and I have to make my liquid travel that crazy path. Anyway, let's get down to the desk. Let's rewick this. All right, yeehaw, here we go. This is it, all broken down. I did also receive a baggie with spare O-rings, spare screws. This is like a clear mod protector. Interesting. I also got a clear tank and a clear drip tip if I don't want to do red, but honestly, I really like the black-red combo, so we're gonna stick with that. And here is the squonking pin. Yeah, I don't know why I was so excited. It looks like a regular squonking pin, but it's going into an RDTA, and I think that's interesting. Let's use their included tool. When was the last time you did that? Always, always, always double check for that peak insulator. Squonk pin goes in, rad. So I can put the tank, you know, the glass on the bottom and then thread the base up to it. And obviously the squonker we're going to put this on is going to be the Empire 4 stainless steel meshes. Now this is what holds everything together. These wick like crazy. I have vaped this tank completely dry. Boosh glowing perfectly evenly. The airflow control sits on a really nice little O-ring. I like to close off the first two holes on the top row. Boom, boom. That's my favorite nitrous airflow. This top is just threaded down. Matchy red drip tip for the win. Let's just get a test look at this. Yeah, I mean, that's obviously going to be sick. Okay, let's wick it. I forgot to put the stainless steel wicks in. I'm going to see if I can do it this way. They just go down into two tiny little holes right there. Easily done. I'm going to thin my wicks a little bit. We're not going to go nuts with this. And then you kind of just thumb them in the little slots. It's more of a put motion. Lots of things these days are put motions. Just put them down in there, and theoretically I can squonk the bottle literally right now to fill up that tank. It'll start the wicking process. I'm going to do that. I happen to just fill up this bottle with like my new favorite liquid that came out of nowhere that apparently has been sitting in my office for years. It's just called Floss. It's amazing. It was literally like one big press to get that whole tank full. I'm going to set this to the side. I'm going to clean up my workstation. I'm going to come back to it and see if it's wicked up to the cotton yet. All right, let's see. I don't know that any juice got exactly up in here. Oh, no, that does look a little bit moist there at the bottom of those wicks. I'm going to say that that's moist. It's like the threshold of moisture. That is definitely moist. And you can see there's already a bubble in the tank, which means I could probably squonk this more, fill it up just a little bit, top it off. Those wicks are getting undeniably wet. Here's the thing. I know I'm going to love this, so I'm going to top off my squonk bottle. We're going to get back out to normal view. We are going to vape this. Okay, so here's the thing. I actually wanted to spend a little bit of time with this Nitrous RDTA. So it's been about 24 hours and it has honestly been, I mean, just great. I love the build quality of this. I like adjusting the AFC. It's got great nitrous airflow. It's got great nitrous flavor. And now it's got a little reservoir down there. And it's been, honestly, an amazing experience if I remember that this is an RDTA first and sits on top of a squonk second. As long as I remember that and treat it like an RDTA, like treat this as if it wasn't on a squonker, then I'll be good to go. The only thing that I was running into that was, I don't know, kind of annoying me, because it's on top of a squonker, I get it in my head that I can wet the coils just by squeezing this. And like I said, I have to remember that I can't just wet the coils by squeezing this. This is only one part of the process. Then when it runs dry, I have to wait for it to wick, then I can vape it. Treat it like an RDTA, zero issues, only amazing airflow, only amazing flavor. Maybe I've just been lucky with wicking, but that stainless steel mesh wicks like crazy. And my cotton, thin it out a little bit, put it where it needs to be put, stays wet. It's kind of magic or something, but I know that I love it. There's literally no reason on heaven or earth not to give the Nitrous RDTA 10 full banana stickers. Even just running this on like a dual battery or like a mech or something would still be a great experience, but having that extra reservoir in a squonk makes this a truly, truly great experience. This rain here in Los Angeles is no joke. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's no joke. Since I am just sitting here vaping, I think this is actually the end of the video. I can't do any vape budget hands. I can't do any aliens game, but I mean, yes, times 1,000. I can also say this. If you're a current cigarette smoker, like combustible cigarettes, hey, let's stop. It's 2023. Better living through science, better living through technology. There is a world of safer nicotine products out on the market for you. In the description of this video, I'm going to put links to Just Science and Just Education. Yeah, this has been a GrimmGreen video. Let's stay smoke-free, you know, every single day.
It's like 10:30, and I'm just gonna smoke, so